3, 2, 1.
Why did they call it Domestic Day? The answer is A. They have chores to do. When did Hisham's reign start? The answer is C. 724. What may be my plausible reason for leaving the room? The answer is A. I would like to avoid a quarrel with my roommate. How many pop-up stores did Microsoft set up to help promote Windows 8? The answer is D. 34. What part of the cell helps it keep its shape? The answer is D. Cytoskeleton. What kind of system do echinoderms possess? The answer is C. Water-based circulatory. Why does the speaker need a walker? The answer is B. Because they just had surgery. When did specific studies of Slavic genetics begin? The answer is D. 2007. In what year did Salters Hall controversy occur that would lead to a split? The answer is C. 1719. Most turtle bodies are covered by a special bony or cartilaginous shell developed from their what? The answer is B. Ribs. Of the following ions, which has the smallest radius? The answer is C. Sc3+. Out in the Mojave Desert, Las Vegas is far from any other metropolitan areas. Which is the closest? The answer is B. Los Angeles. The smallest cyclic ether is called what? The answer is B. Epoxide. How do you orchestrate something? How would you do this? The answer is A. Think of an idea. What may be a fact about the Barretts? The answer is C. They have glitter on them. When was the university library founded? The answer is B. 1816. Which of these terms is used by Jews to refer to the Old Testament? The answer is A. Tanakh. How do you use a butterfly keyboard? How would you do this? The answer is A. Type on it while pressing each key twice. What type of relationship do Scully and Lanto share? The answer is B. A romantic relationship. Who was the first female governor of Massachusetts? The answer is B. Jane Swift. In what year did Bob Graham become Senator of Florida? The answer is D. 1979. How would you describe Charlie? The answer is B. Charlie is clumsy. Wooden chair leg, how would you do this? The answer is A. Can make a hammer. What year did Joseph Louis von Humboldt define the formula for water? The answer is D. 1805. What year did the Infectious Diseases of America say that production of GNB does not keep up with resistance? The answer is A. 2013. What did Mom decide to buy? The answer is A. new item for the place. Notebook binder, how would you do this? The answer is A. Can't hold a tack. In what year was the 50-pence piece introduced? The answer is D. 1969. Why couldn't the animal stay at home? The answer is D. It wasn't feeling well. What profession did the narrator's dad have? The answer is C. They were a jeweler. At the end of this great movie, Jack gives Jonathan something to remember their adventure together. What does he give Jonathan at the end of the movie? The answer is D. His wristwatch. Why did she do what she did? The answer is B. She was eager to get it on. What is the loudest animal on Earth? The answer is C. Blue whale. To create a reflective backing for Lightbox, how would you do this? The answer is A. Line the back with aluminum tape. What may she have written about for her college paper that had to be about a sad event? The answer is B. She wrote about George. To strengthen latex while setting in a mold, how would you do this? The answer is A. Place paper towels on the back of the latex. A boy is playing with a ball. Kids are practicing lacrosse on a field of grass. A man in a black jacket. What happens next? The answer is B. Is watching them play. How do you splurge on something? How would you do this? The answer is A. Spend a lot of money on it. A man is standing outside a trailer. What happens next? The answer is A. Begins to shovel snow in front of the trailer. How is population density expressed? The answer is B. Number per area. To help keep perfume on your body when wearing it, how would you do this? The answer is A. Apply a layer of Vaseline when wearing perfume. What sort of musician is Doug? The answer is B. Percussionist. When did Marvel purchase this distribution network? The answer is D. 1994. How many centimeters make up a hand, the measurement used on horses? The answer is D. 10. Which of the following is a radioactive element? The answer is C. M. What section of the act did Dr. Train write? The answer is C. 2. What may be the reason why Faith is the new Slayer? The answer is C. Buffy died. In what year was Laugh Clown, Laugh released? The answer is D. 1928. When was the second edition of Burke's book published? The answer is D. 1757. Why does the narrator seem so on edge?